All right, I'm down here at the river this morning. They've got the floodgates up here. Up here. I guess they're expecting the river to rise on up. But that's the river down there. It's almost up to the bridge here. There's the bridge going across the river right there. It's over the highway down yonder. I can't get down there. They've got it blocked off. But we've had a lot of rain. I went to my cousin's last night and spent the night. But that's what it looks like down here. Okay. Okay, there's another one. That's a lot of water. There's the moon up there this morning. If you can see that. All right, this is on the other side of it. That's the place where we always go fishing down there where those trees are at. And I was right across yonder just a few minutes ago. I have never seen so much water in one town. Our river runs through the town, right through town. But right in yonder is where we always went fishing. The river's on the other side of those trees. And when we did come fishing down here, there's some driveway down into there. Right there. And there's some more down here. The sun's just now coming up. It's not over the bridge down here. But it's up in this field here. And there it is over that way. You can see over that way. And it's almost up to the house right there. Across the bridge. I don't believe I've ever seen as much water here in town as we've got today. See that? And see that over there. Here's some more. The river's way over there. It's up in this field here. Now this is close to my house. Let's see how it is up here, across from my house. I'll be there in just a second. All over the road because it's been raining so much. Oh, right there. Let's see. I don't want to get out here and fall off this ditch. But over there, I live on the other side of the road. But there's a house over there. It didn't get up to that house, but it got close. All right. I am going home. Okay, there's some more over there. You can see that over there or not. But it's all out about. It's all over town. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe. Hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. Thank you.